Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Monday inaugurated the newly constructed building of Garo Badha Secondary School and Ransakona High Secondary School in southwest Garo Hills in presence of Education Minister Lakshman Rumboi, MLAs Zenit Sangma and Ferlin Sangma. Both the new buildings were funded by Asian Development Bank (ADB), supporting human capital development in Meghalaya, at an amount of Rs 1.85 crore for Ransakona School, while Rs 3.09 crore for Garo Badha School. The state-of-the-art equipped schools is part of $100 million Indian rupees 650 crore projects for the state, wherein 170 new school buildings have been created in the 11 districts. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister thanked the Education Department and the ADB for taking up the wonderful project in the state. Talking on the importance of education, he said, "Without education, no state or country can prosper. Education is the most important pillar for any economy, society or country, and our government have taken education as a priority to ensure that our youth get adequate facilities." Talking on the poor pass percentage in southwest Garo Hills, Education Minister Lakshman Rumboi said, "Out of 10,074 students fail in southwest Garo Hills, the question is why? We have formed a committee to study the reason for poor pass percentage and have diagnosed the matter. We are currently devising a strategy to fix the problem. The problems cannot be fixed only by the government. We have to work together to overcome this issue and improve education in the part of the state."
Na mai ko target ka inga badia ka da wana na sukna skinga na mai ko achieve kana skinga na mo motivation dum chaw ya motivation de je salun anga doctor na skinga chang sau da nga emilong gen chang sau da nga engineer gen chang sau da nga india gumako mane cha at ka pa man de businessman gen ya mukso ani dong jaw de drive dong jaw de motivation dong jaw de jusukna ma chaw. You must have a goal, you must have ambition in life. Maka papagparang ko pa nga diya ka na skinga? Ay na isimang forest kaya dungsa na pa duma. Ba sobrang de dungna pa duma. Hindi ba? Sugo pa gatang ba degree dungsa na pa duma. Hindi ba degree ba education dungsa ni kaman? Na isimang ni bisarang na ba di rang na guidance ko na magjawa ang iyong dyan.
0.26% of the student fail in the district. Out of 100, say 74 student fail. Why? The question is why? When we introspect, when we have formed the committee, the great Garo Hills region academic accreditation was, I forget the proper name. We have seen that many students, even in Garo language also they fail. The district admission of Garo Hills region, they have tried and we have diagnosed the problem. We are now on our way how to fix those problems. But those problems cannot be fixed only by the government. It is with you. I must congratulate Ransakona Secondary School. At least the pass percentage in the school is 50%. But it is not acceptable in this modern day. When you have all these facilities, when you have trained teachers, when you have a good infrastructure, when you have the good facilities, why not? I wish that this year it will change.
Ski